Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious Irish stew. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of lamb or mutton, 4 large potatoes, 2 large carrots, and 2 medium onions. Opt for a good quality cut like lamb shoulder or neck for the richest flavor. Having everything prepped and ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This classic dish is truly a comforting meal. Next, we will build the flavor base for our stew. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown your lamb pieces over medium-high heat until they are nicely golden on all sides. This step is crucial for developing deep, rich flavors. Then, add your chopped onions and sauté them for about 5 minutes until they become soft and translucent. Finally, pour in enough stock or water to just cover the meat. Now it is time to add the hearty vegetables and season our stew. Carefully add your peeled and chopped potatoes and carrots to the pot, ensuring they are well distributed. Season generously with a good pinch of salt, plenty of freshly ground black pepper, and 1 bay leaf for aromatic depth. Make sure all the ingredients are submerged in the liquid so they cook evenly and absorb all those wonderful flavors. Finally, we will perfect our Irish stew. Let it simmer gently on low heat for at least 2 hours, or until the lamb is incredibly tender and falls apart easily. During this time, the potatoes will naturally break down a little, creating a lovely, thick consistency for the stew. Once it is ready, serve your piping hot, comforting Irish stew, perhaps alongside some warm, crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy this timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.